Michelangelo and the Great Dome video narration script. Behind every masterpiece, there is an extraordinary story. Michelangelo is widely known as one of history's greatest sculptors, but at St. Peter's Basilica, he also left behind architectural works that are less familiar, yet equally remarkable. Standing in St. Peter's Square, the sheer scale of the architecture is almost overwhelming. What many people do not realize is that this church was not designed by a single architect. At first, Bramante proposed a Greek cross plan. Later, Raphael reshaped the space with classical clarity and restraint. Antonio da Sangallo the Younger added layers of intricate decoration. Yet one chief architect after another passed away, and the basilica remained unfinished. Decades of construction and constantly changing designers left the building as a complex blend of different architectural languages. Then in 1546, Michelangelo, already in his 70s, was appointed chief architect. The challenge before him was clear. How could these conflicting ideas be brought into harmony? His solution was the giant order. Columns rising across 2 stories unified the masses, organized the space, and restored a sense of order. The eye is drawn upward, naturally and effortlessly, toward the heart of the church, the great central dome. This dome was Michelangelo's masterpiece. He designed it as a double-shell structure. The inner dome, rounded and structurally rational, carries the main weight. The outer dome, taller and lighter in appearance, rises above it. Between the 2 shells, a hollow space reduces the load, and a spiral staircase leads upward to the terrace at the top. Seen from the city, what defines the skyline is the outer dome's curve, often called the Michelangelo curve. It was drawn higher, full of tension, and unmistakably upright. This single arc gave Rome a powerful spiritual landmark. Inside the dome, light itself becomes architecture. Sunlight enters through carefully placed windows at the top and at the base, moving slowly across the surface. Time seems to flow with the light. This is not decoration, but an architecture of light. After Michelangelo's death, Carlo Maderno completed the main facade, added a 3rd level, and placed 13 statues along the roofline. Later, Bernini's colonnades in St. Peter's Square extended Michelangelo's spatial vision. Like open arms, they embrace the visitor and unite the square with the basilica. St. Peter's Basilica is the result of many masters, but it was Michelangelo who transformed fragmented ideas into a single, unified, and timeless whole. This is the story of the Great Dome.